Many people get scared the first time they hear a small popping sound during an adjustment. What is that sound anyway? Does hearing a noise mean that your problem has been fixed, or is it cause for concern? The most common misconception is that the popping sound is one of bones snapping over each other. That's simply not true. Another common question that people have once they understand the nature of the popping sound is, what if I hear no sound at all? Does that mean I didn't get adjusted? Not necessarily. The first thing to realize is that your chiropractor will make only adjustments that are necessary and safe for your situation. While they don't specifically try to elicit the popping sounds, they are paying close attention to your body's reaction as they make the adjustments. Some people have a much easier time getting adjusted than others. Factors such as stress, muscle soreness or tightness, airplane flights, long drives to visit relatives, and other unusual uses of the body can contribute to additional tightness that make an adjustment a little more challenging. Don't worry though. Your chiropractor is well trained to know when to push and when to back off, so you can come back another day for an easier adjustment. They will also be happy to explain any noises you may or may not hear during your adjustments. Chiropractic care is meant to help you take care of your body and give you a better, healthier life. Call the number on this page or email us today for more information. Thank you for watching.